हर नई शुरुआत से पहले आप मुझे आशीर्वाद देती आई हैं। आज भी अपना आशीर्वाद दे दीजिए।
ना पुत्र, जब मैंने आप ही बाबा जी से आशीर्वाद नहीं लिया तो तुझे क्या दूंगी। ऐसा करती हूँ, मैं गुरुद्वारे जाके आती हूँ।
नहीं, आप नहीं जाओगे। कल चले जाना, कल मैं खुद आपको लेके जाऊंगा।
सगाई तो आज ही है ना, और बिना वाहे गुरु के आशीर्वाद के कोई रस्म पूरी नहीं हो सकती।
Sahiba and Daljit's engagement is to finally take place, and where Sahiba now comes to take Bebe's blessings, Bebe in turn says that she will first go herself to the Gurdwara to take blessings and pray for Sahiba's life to go on well, and then only will come back and bless her. But upon Daljit's interference, everyone is shocked when he stops Bebe, saying that no one will go from the house anywhere. But the family opposes and taunts him that has he forgotten God's grace, and does he think that he is bigger than God himself now with all his wealth. But then Bebe plays the emotional card, where she tells him the conditions under which Angad and Sahiba's wedding had taken place, and it was not done properly with Babajir's meher or going to the Gurdwara, and that being the reason for an unhappy and broken marriage. So, if Daljit doesn't allow this, his and Sahiba's wedding too may not work out, and this shocks Daljit. And finally Daljit agrees, but not without sending Mrs. Gill along with Bebe. But who is Mrs. Gill after all? But Sahiba now heaves a sigh of relief that finally, through Bebe, the plan that the Brar family had worked out, the brushes will reach the lab for Akir's DNA test, and the truth will come out before the engagement. But finally the moment Daljit has waited for arrives, and this time it is Gary whose mind asks the question that after all, how did Daljit turn from rags to riches overnight? Whose support did he get, and how did this happen? But Amu's dad tells her that he is more happy than Daljit, as finally Sahiba will be removed from her way, and Angad and she will now finally tie the knot. But all eyes are now on Sahiba, who is all decked up. Daljit as well as Angad feel that they are seeing an angel walking, as Sahiba is looking pretty as ever in her outfit. But while Sahiba is still worried about the lab reports which haven't arrived, and she talks with Kirat, Daljit is all excited as he now shares openly about their honeymoon plans in front of the family, while an angry Angad looks on, swearing that he will never allow Sahiba to belong to anyone else. So finally, how will Sahiba and Angad free themselves from Daljit's plans, and who is Amu actually? Is she Sirat post plastic surgery and her accident? Will Akir's real identity come out in open? Well, for all this information, keep watching this space as we will bring to you all updates on the interesting twists and turns in Teri Meri Doria.
आपके हाँ करने से ना इस घटिया इंसान के हौसले और भी बढ़ गए हैं।
बस रिपोर्ट सच है, इसके सारे हौसले बस बढ़ जाएंगे। फिर तो मुझे रिपोर्ट्स के आने का वेट करना था, इसलिए तैयार होने में टाइम वेस्ट किया है मैंने।
मेरी सांसों पे नाम तुम्हारा है। और कीजिए। मेरी सांसों पे नाम तुम्हारा है, आज मैं खुश हूं तो यह एहसान तुम्हारा है। क्या बात है।